Haggard kay ko. Android lang dyan ni Bay. Iyo, i-delete mo yan. I-appeal na ko ni.
Uy. The baby is here. Come on, up.
Boo!
Come on.
You cannot do it, boo! Vlog takeover. Buang na ni.
Hello, guys.
It's been like, I think 4 years. Stop it! Don't
Wait, 1
kill
year
me.
ago na atong hangout.
It's
You go down now. Okay, after the remote.
I love you, Bobby, but only from afar.
Only go down.
Baho, Bobby. Anyways, it's been like a year since me and Belle hung out. Tapos, it's also been a year since...
nagtago.
It's also been a year since Belle vlogged our hangout. And like, this is an emotional milestone for not just me, but also her. And the last time we hung out, we basically just did our makeup. Tapos we
Watch a
drank.
movie.
No,
And
we
then-
really didn't watch.
Yeah. Mas ganda magod ko. And then nag-walk. And then,
nangawa yung bata.
yeah, and
And then we befriended a goat. Right?
yeah.
Si Marla.
Sige, si Marla. Mag-insist man ka. You'll meet Marla later.
Yes! Tapos, uwiin namin siya. Ay, kawaton. And then, I'll give you guys a tour of Belle's room.
This is her pillow.
Oh, no! Sabi ni tita, Bobby, paluin kita. Bobby.
Bobby.
Bobby? And, ano pa ba? And to be honest, like, may grant na siya. And to be honest, like, I don't really feel close with Belle. Like,
Bastos.
sino ba to siya?
Wala na ba nagdulog panty?
Gago ka, te. Huwag mo yung i-expose. Buti ay, nagdagang mo gilaban ng panty bag. I think... Ay, naadjod. Dago, mangka, Bobby! Ayaw ka, halo! Gipalo na si Bobby. Ano guys, comment nyo, deserve or undeserved? Si Belle po dito mo yung bastos. I'm sure.
Pero dili na mag-drink kayo makatulog na.
Gani, girl, wala ba ito nagtunog si